You simply don't need to be overcomplicating your day trading strategy in the market. This is the #1 reason on why new traders are unprofitable. All you need to be trading with is simply fair value gaps and liquidity in the markets. As you can see, we have swept sell side liquidity in the market right here. As well as us sweeping this sell side liquidity, we also have this bearish fair value gap right here in the market. Now, most ICT traders, as you know, will only take short positions from bearish fair value gaps that look like this, but this is simply incorrect. What you should be doing is waiting for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap like this. What you then can do is enter into a long position because we've had this sell side liquidity sweep. Your stop loss is simply if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and your take profit is simply buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. So if you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, the link is simply in my bio. This is the most simplified video that you need to watch on how you are going to find your daily bias in the market. Now, when it comes to finding your daily bias in the market, there are only two things that you need to be looking for. The first thing is fair value gaps in the market. For example, right now, as you can see, we're currently respecting this bearish fair value gap that is in the market. Therefore, as long as we are respecting this bearish fair value gap, my daily bias will be bearish. But as soon as we disrespect this bearish fair value gap, now all this means is as soon as we have this candle close above this bearish fair value gap, that means I am now bullish. And the reason I am now bullish for my daily bias is simply because we have inversed a daily bearish fair value gap. Therefore, we should now come up and take some sort of buy side liquidity resting in the market. So I am now bullish until we hit this point in the market right here. And as you can see, if we play at the price action, price does exactly that. It comes out and takes out buy side liquidity. Now, I live stream myself trading every single day. I have over an 80% win rate, and if you want to join my trading community, everything that you need to know and all the links are in my bio. This is the best day trading strategy that you can be using right now. It has over an 80% win rate, and all I use is simply liquidity and fair value gaps. As you can see, we have just swept this news high, which was an extremely strong draw on liquidity. Now, what you can notice is that we have this bullish fair value gap in the market, and most day traders actually only look for long positions from bullish fair value gaps exactly like this, and most traders are unprofitable traders. So stop doing what everybody else is doing. What you should be doing in the market is simply waiting for a candle close below a bullish inversion fair value gap in the market. So we have swept buy side liquidity. We have now inversed this bullish fair value gap, which simply means we've had a candle close below the bullish fair value gap. So we will enter into a short position, stop loss back above this now inversion fair value gap, and then your take profit will simply be a strong draw on liquidity. In this instance, we have these equal lows that are resting in the market. Now again, this model has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. So if you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live, the link is simply in my bio. Pass 100% of the funded challenges that you take by only using fair value gaps and liquidity in the market. You only need to use fair value gaps and liquidity to be extremely profitable in the market. There is no need to overcomplicate your day trading strategy. And as you can see right here, we are currently respecting this bearish fair value gap in the market. And what do most ICT traders do when it comes to bearish fair value gaps? The answer is they simply short bearish fair value gaps. And this is just incorrect. You should not be shorting from bearish fair value gaps in the market. What you should actually be doing is finding the bearish fair value gaps in the market, marking them out, then waiting till we disrespect the bearish fair value gaps. Then what I will do is enter into a long position. My stop loss is simply if we now get a candle close back below this inversion fair value gap, and my take profit is simply buy side liquidity resting in the market. Now, this day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live every single day, the link is in my bio.